Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies good, easy method. Cream butter and sugars until light, then add eggs and vanilla slowly. Fold in dry ingredients without overmixing to keep cookies tender. Stir in chips or nuts at the end, and always chill the dough to reduce spread and intensify flavor. Bake on a lined sheet until edges set and centers look slightly underdone for perfect chew. In this video, I will show how to make cookies good, easy method. Adjust bake time by a minute or two to keep centers chewy while edges crisp. Replace a tablespoon of flour with cornstarch for a softer bite and use more brown sugar for deeper chewiness. Measure flour by spooning and leveling to avoid dense cookies. Let baked cookies cool on the sheet briefly to finish cooking gently. In this video, I will show how to make cookies good, easy method. Sprinkle flaky salt on warm cookies to make flavors pop and toast nuts first for richer taste. Add a dash of espresso or instant coffee granules to enhance chocolate without tasting like coffee. Use quality vanilla and zest from citrus for bright notes. Taste your dough if safe, and adjust mix-ins to suit sweetness and texture preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.